Hello everyone. As we have started the topic ratio, chapter number 9 of your maths book, D Maths 7th edition. Okay. Today I will talk about how we express ratio as a fraction to find the value of unknown. Okay. You have to remember that ratio and fraction are basically equivalent to each other to compare two or more quantities of the same kind. Mean ratio and fractions are equivalent to each other. We can express ratio as a fraction if we need to find the value of unknown. I have a question given that 4x ratio 9 is equal to 7 ratio 3 and you have to calculate the value of x. You can see in the question the value of x is unknown. Value of x is unknown, so you have to calculate the value of x. For this I have told you that ratio and fraction are equivalent to each other. Equivalent mean if 4x ratio 9 can be expressed in form of fraction as 4x by 9. 4x ratio 9 can be expressed as 4x by 9. It can be written in form of fraction is equal to 7 ratio 3 can be written in form of fraction as 7 by 3 because ratio and fraction are equivalent to each other, right? So now you have studied in algebra that whenever we have fractions and between the fractions you have sign of equality, what we do cross multiplication if we have equality sign between the fractions. So by cross multiplication 3 will multiply with 4x and 7 will multiply with 9 by cross multiplication. Okay, 3 4s are 12. This is 12x is equal to 7 9s are 63. You have to calculate the value of x. X will remain here. You have to isolate the variable x, and 12 is being multiplied with x. When it will move to the other side of the equation, it will be divided. 63 by 12. Is it clear? Now you can cut them on table of 3. You can simplify them on table of 3 because both number are divisible on 3. 3 2 times 6, 3 1 time 3 and 3 4 time 12. This is 21 by 4. And as 21 by 4 is an improper fraction, you can also write it in form of mixed number and it will be 5 whole 1 by 4. When you will divide 21 on 4, you will write your answer in form of mixed number, that is 5 whole 1 by 4. So you have calculated the value of x by expressing ratio in form of fraction. Is it clear? Similarly, in my next question, you have to calculate the value of a. A is unknown. You have to find out the value of a. For this, you will write your ratio in form of fraction. 3a ratio 7 mean 3a by 7. Is it clear? Is equal to 8 ratio 7 mean 8 by 7. Again, you have equality sign between the fractions. So you will do cross multiplication. 3a will multiply with 7 and 8 will multiply with 7. 3 7 time 21. This is 21a. 8 7 time 56, and to isolate the variable a, you will write a here, and this 21 is being multiplied. When it will move to the other side of the equation, it will be divided. 56 and 21 can be simplified on table of 7. 7 8 times 56 and 7 3 times 21. So value of a is 8 by 3. You can also write it in form of mixed number. So it's your choice. If you want to write it in form of mixed number, you will divide it and you have to write it in form of mixed number. But if you leave your answer here, it will be okay. Right? So this is how we express ratio in form of fraction to calculate the value of the variable, to calculate the value of unknown. Is it clear?